Hey, this is Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. We're going to go ahead and go over this issue here. I'm not exactly sure what's going on with your issue here. Now, from what I'm reading, you're saying that they should both go directly to my landing page. I'm not sure what you mean by both. Here, let me just show you what I have so far. So it looks like you're talking about your URL here, and then the actual page URL with the full extension um, for your landing page. I'll show you what I mean here. So here, I'm going to copy this. I just went through all your links here, and they all open just fine on my end here. All right. All right. So that opens to your home page there. All right. So I'm going to go out of that. Then we'll go here. All right. Your main link here should open to the same. Here we go. That load. So you can see that opens just fine, and I can see this is your page path here. All right, this is your page ID. All right, so that opens okay. And then I'm going to grab that link for your landing page link right here from your message. All right, you can see that opens just fine as well. Okay. So it looks like everything's working fine here. Let me just go check here. Search your page path. Looks good. Landing page. The only thing I would suggest here is so this is your page path here, okay? So for each step, as you can see, there's two sections, okay? So there's this cogwheel and this cogwheel, okay? So this cogwheel is is what you see displayed, okay? So you'll see this page path here, all right? You see that actually displayed here, okay? But in fact, they both matter, okay? So this one here, you don't want them exactly identical, and that's what the system's doing here. It's generating random digits, characters, right? Trying to make this more unique, right? So because each page path has to be specifically unique for each page, and even still, it's got to be different between the two here. Not completely, just slightly, just so you can differentiate between the two. Now I know you can because the additional characters that the system has added. But if you differentiate them a little bit here, the system will not throw in these digits, some of the time. So if you want it to look differently, all right, that's my point here. All right, so you want it to look differently. Now your main issue, you're saying that it's not landing all these different links, your different avenues of trying to get to the main page. They're not all landing on the landing page, right? The both. So you're just talking about this link here, and then your main link, your URL there, right? So as you can see, they both are. Now, if you were having issues, the reason I went to the page path is typically when it comes to directing your URL, right, which is this here, right, to the correct homepage, the page path here, right, that's where this comes in, okay, and this section here. All right, that's where these come in. So that's where those come in. And then also one other place, I already checked your default pages, so it looks like you know this already here as well, right? And obviously your default, your error page there. So as you can see, they do look to be working fine. So if you want, you can go ahead and update this. I mean, they're working fine on my end, so there's not really any issues. So just remember, if you copy any of these funnels in the future, anything like that, you're going to want to make sure you automatically, first thing you do is going to be updating these so that they're different from the copied funnel. Okay. Considering that it's working fine on my side, if you're having issues still, from this link here, oops, sorry, this link here and your main URL here, not landing on the same page on your side, that's going to be a browser issue. Now I'll send you some instruction. You may know how to do this. Just go ahead and clear your browsing data. Okay. It's going to be the upper vertical dots here up in the top right. I need to update here. So otherwise you wouldn't see this here. You would see the 3 vertical dots. All right. You go ahead and click that. And then you're going to see clear browsing data. And I'll go ahead and send a little tutorial. You're going to also want to clear your temporary files from your computer. Okay. So your operating system, it's real quick. It's just where Windows, if you're using Windows, it's where Windows stores junk files, just like your browser stores all the cats of data. Okay, I'll send you that real quick. What I would do is log out of your ClickFunnels account. First, clear your browsing data. Okay, and then clear your temp files. Then log out of your ClickFunnels account. Okay, and then open an incognito window. Okay, then you're going to log back into your ClickFunnels account via the incognito window, and then from there go in and retest your links to see if they work. Okay, now I'm going to write all this down in your message here, that way you can follow that. I just want to make sure you have both. Okay, all right, thanks.